Hi, this is Quita from the Vegan Variety, and I'm here today to show you how to make pho. I decided to make pho today because I was challenged by one of our viewers on the Getting It Daily page to make this dish. So I wanted to show you how simple and easy it was to put it together and to make it vegan, so stay tuned. Here I'm chopping up garlic and preparing the oil that will keep the noodles from sticking to each other. You can add in soy, garlic, and any other flavors that you like crushed red pepper. Once your noodles are done, drain them and prepare them for your bowl. You want to pour your oil over them and mix it well. Prepare your noodles for your bowl and arrange your pre-cut vegetables and make it beautiful because you deserve it. Spoon in your broth and add a lime wedge and any finishing flavors such as soy sauce, General Tao sauce, salt, red crushed pepper, whatever you like.
Thank you everybody for joining us tonight. Actually, what we did was we made pho, and we also learned that pho is not only an easy dish to make, but it's also something that's pretty quick for you to make at home with your family and friends. So tune in next time as we are live every Tuesday and Thursday. And of course, we'll be teaming with Quita on all future projects on Tuesday and Thursday. So we're hoping that you guys are willing to not only tune in, but to share with family and friends. So do us a favor, like the video, do us a favor, share the video, and definitely comment below what you would like to see us make next. We are looking forward to hearing from all of you. So until next time, this is Lyndon of Getting It Daily, changing your relationship with food and fitness. And just to add a little bit for my friend, because she likes bringing the spice of the vegan life. We'll see you next time. Peace.
That's me. I'm behind the oven.
Good job. With the Vegan Variety on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can find me right here.
Behind the myth.